Hey everyone, Andy, welcome back to my channel. If you really like me and you absolutely love those amazing bowls from Sweetgreen but your wallet doesn't, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate that signature fresh, healthy, and the incredibly delicious Sweetgreen-style salad bowl right in your own kitchen. It's way easier than you think, and you get to customize it exactly how you like. Let's get started. First things first. Let's talk ingredients. To make this masterpiece, you'll need 1 cup of a cooked grain. I'm using quinoa today, but brown rice or even farro would be fantastic. Then, grab about a cup of your favorite greens. I've got some chopped kale here, but mixed greens or spinach work perfectly too. We'll also need a half cup of half cherry tomatoes, a half cup of roasted sweet potatoes. These add such a nice sweetness and the texture. A quarter cup of chickpeas for that plant-based protein punch, and a quarter of a ripe avocado sliced. Of course, you can always swap the chickpeas for some grilled chicken if that's more your style. For our simple, zesty dressing, you just need a tablespoon of good olive oil, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Alright, let's build this bowl of goodness. The foundation of any great salad bowl is the base. So, we'll start by adding our cooked quinoa into the bottom of the bowl. This gives it that hearty, satisfying texture that keeps you full and energized. Now for the fun part, let's start layering. On top of the quinoa, we'll add our vibrant kale. Don't be shy, pile it on. Next, we'll add our beautiful roasted sweet potatoes, those juicy little cherry tomatoes, and the chickpeas. Look at all those colors. It already looks incredible, doesn't it? Now, no more salad is complete without the perfect dressing. And the best part about this one is its simplicity. In a small bowl or jar, just whisk together your olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a little salt and pepper. That's it. It's so fresh, so light, and it lets all the flavors of the ingredients really shine through. Drizzle that liquid gold all over your salad. Go ahead and give everything a gentle toss until it's all nicely coated in that delicious dressing. Finally, we'll crown our creation with those creamy slices of avocado. And so you have it, a stunning, nutritious, and absolutely delicious Sweetgreen-inspired salad, ready to enjoy in minutes. That is just so good. It's fresh, it's flavorful, and it's super satisfying. This is my go-to for a quick lunch or a light, healthy dinner. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments what your favorite salad combinations are. I'd love to get some new ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.